Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I create this trail ring material in UE5.3 and you can see I can increase the thickness and I can also make this like this. Looks cool. Okay. And also I can increase the distortion if I want like this much. So I have already this material but I will again create it from scratch so you can learn each and everything. So let's start this tutorial. So this is the original material. I'll put the both file original and this new file on my Patreon. So I'll create a new folder. I'll call it trail and let's close these tabs. And here I'll make a material M trail. And inside it, first thing I'll do, I'll just make this unlit. Okay. So now if I take